To remove background from photos in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, we'll need to open our camera app. Next step is to take a photo of something that you want to later remove background. So in this case, I'm just gonna take a photo of this miniature right here. Also, I should mention that the better, less things happening in the background, the better quality will be. So in this case, we have a photo. Now we can try to basically remove the background. So what you need to do is click and hold your finger onto the object that you want to have, and then as you can see, it will try to cut it out. Now if we let go, we can click on the three dots right here and then save it as image. That way we can view the image, and as you can see, the background is gone. We only have the miniature that we wanted. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.